This is the Library of Congress's primary source analysis tool. It has some really handy features that make it really simple for a student to ask good questions or to answer good questions. So the first thing that you'll do is select the format. There's one for any format, but there's also one for nearly any kind of primary source they might be looking at. And what this does is this customizes the questions that it asks. So in our case, we're looking at a photograph. So we're going to choose a photograph or a print. And now, when it finishes loading, if I click on this little guidance bubble, it asks me a series of really good questions that's specific to a photograph. And so the student can go through and answer these questions in this box here. So it's real simple. We'll just open this up. We've selected prints. Now we're going to go through, describe what you see. I see a man in a chair. And then next prompt, what do you notice first? He has a newspaper. So go through each one of the questions, and you see each section has a series of questions. So the students can go through these questions and see what happens. There's even some guidance for the further investigation. Now, when they're done, or when you're done, you'll want to download your work. So it's down here. Don't use the print up here. That just prints a paper copy of the whole page. So the download, and then it'll add this little section at the top. You can give the name of the primary source, the URL, all that kind of good stuff. But when you're done, you click this download button, and it will save it as a PDF. And that makes it really easy. You download it as a PDF, and then you can upload it in Canvas to submit the assignment.